Seniors still have night leg cramps. The real fix isn't vitamin D3, it's vitamin K2. You take calcium, you take vitamin D3, you drink water, you stretch before bed, and yet at 2:13 a.m., your calf seizes like a fist made of steel. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Nighttime leg cramps affect millions of older adults, even those who seem to be doing everything right. That stabbing pain, that sudden jolt out of sleep, it's not just old age. And it's not always a vitamin D problem. In fact, what I've seen again and again in my patients, and what science now confirms, is this: you can take vitamin D3 and still have painful cramps if your body is missing something else. Today, I want to show you that something else, a small, often overlooked nutrient that helps direct calcium where it belongs and keeps it out of your muscles, where it can cause tightness, spasms, and the very cramps waking you up at night. It's called vitamin K2. And if you're over 60, your body may not be getting enough. In this video, I'll explain why K2 is essential for muscle health after 60, how it works with not against vitamin D3, and how you can add it to your routine starting tomorrow. If you've tried everything and still feel like your legs are trying to tell you something at night, this might be what they've been saying all along. Don't forget to subscribe to Senior Diamond, where every week we help you take one small and powerful step toward a stronger, steadier life after 60. Why vitamin D3 isn't the complete solution. You've probably heard this many times. Take vitamin D3 for strong bones and fewer cramps. And that's true to a point. Vitamin D3 plays a crucial role in helping your body absorb calcium from food. Without it, much of the calcium you eat simply passes through your system unused. But here's the part most people don't hear. Absorbing calcium is only half the job. Guiding calcium to the right place, your bones and teeth, requires another vitamin, vitamin K2. So what happens if you take vitamin D3 without enough K2? The calcium gets absorbed into your bloodstream, but without K2, it doesn't know where to go. Instead of being deposited into your bones, calcium may accumulate in your blood vessels, muscles, and soft tissues. This can lead to muscle stiffness, cramps, especially at night, hardening of the arteries, of vascular calcification, and even increased risk of joint pain. Let's think about nighttime leg cramps. You might be taking vitamin D faithfully, hoping to improve your bone health and reduce those painful spasms. But if you're not taking vitamin K2 alongside it, your muscles might actually be suffering from calcium buildup rather than benefit. That could explain why you still wake up in pain, even with good habits in place. A 21 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed adults over 60 who were supplementing with D3. The results were surprising. 68% of them continued to show symptoms of functional calcium deficiency, meaning they had plenty of calcium in their bodies, but it wasn't going to the right places. Other of them were not getting enough K2. This is where K2 becomes a game changer. Vitamin K2 activates special proteins like osteocalcin and matrix GLA protein that direct calcium to your bones and prevent it from collecting in your arteries and soft tissues. It's like giving calcium a GPS so it doesn't wander into your leg muscles and cause cramping. Unfortunately, K2 isn't found in most multivitamins. And while vitamin D3 is widely promoted, K2 remains one of the most overlooked nutrients in senior health. So if you've been taking D3 but still struggling with cramps or stiffness, the missing link could be K2. What is vitamin K2 and why is it important for older adults? Ever wonder why leg cramps hit at night? Even if you're taking calcium or vitamin D, here's something most doctors forget to tell you. Without enough vitamin K2, those nutrients can do more harm than good. Let's break it down. Vitamin K2, also known as menaquinone, doesn't just help with the blood clotting like its cousin K1. It plays a specialized role, guiding calcium where it belongs your bones, and keeping it out of places it shouldn't be like your arteries and muscles. K2 does this by activating two key proteins in your body, osteocalcin, which helps deposit calcium into bones, matrix GLA protein MGP, which prevents calcium from building up in soft tissues like blood vessels and muscle fibers. Why does this matter for leg cramps? Because when calcium ends up in your muscles or circulatory system, instead of being stored properly in your bones, it can trigger muscle stiffness, nerve irritation, and poor blood flow, all of which are common causes of nighttime leg cramps in older adults. Here's what's often overlooked. As we age, our bodies produce less K2 naturally. Most of our vitamin K2 is made by friendly bacteria in the gut. But after age 60, that microbial balance starts to decline. It gets worse with common medications like antibiotics, statins, or acid reflux drugs, which disrupt gut bacteria even more. So even if you're eating healthy or taking calcium or D3, you may be K2 deficient and not know it. And that's where the cramps begin. In fact, a recent review in the Journal of Geriatric Cardiology found that low K2 levels were associated with increased muscle cramping, arterial calcification, and reduced flexibility in people over 65, even in those with otherwise balanced diets. But the good news, adding K2 from a food or supplements can improve circulation, support muscle relaxation, and rebalance your electrolytes naturally. Think of K2 as the quiet conductor in your body's mineral orchestra. Without it, everything sounds off, especially at night. 3 signs you may be lacking K2 without knowing it. Still having leg cramps at night, even though you're eating well and taking vitamin D. That's the first red flag. Many older adults assume their leg cramps are just part of getting older, or that calcium and vitamin D alone will fix the problem. But when K2 is missing, calcium can build up in the wrong places, and your muscles don't get the full signal to relax. Here are 3 subtle but powerful signs your body may be quietly running low on vitamin K2. Persistent nighttime leg cramps. You've tried stretching, hydration, even supplements, but the cramps keep coming. That may be a sign that your muscles and blood vessels aren't clearing calcium properly. Stiff tendons or early artery calcification. Feel tightness in your Achilles tendon or notice that your legs tire quickly. That could point to soft tissue calcification, where calcium collects in tendons or arteries instead of bones. You're taking certain medications. If you use statins, blood thinners like warfarin, or acid-reducing drugs, PPIs, your ability to absorb or produce K2 may be compromised without you knowing. Bottom line, K2 deficiency hides in plain sight, but your muscles may be trying to tell you something every night. The best source of K2 supplements for the elderly. You may be wondering, if vitamin K2 is so important, why haven't I heard more about it? The answer is simple. It's rare in the Western diet, and even rarer in the foods we typically enjoy after 60. But the right foods, or the right supplement, can make all the difference in stopping leg cramps and keeping your circulation strong. Let's break down your best options. Most of the vitamin K2 in food comes in the form of MK7 or MK4, 2 forms your body can absorb well. But the richest sources may not be on your dinner table yet. Natto fermented soybeans. Each 3.5 Oz 100 ounce serving contains about 1,000 mcg of vitamin K2. Seniors should eat 1-2 tablespoons, about 25 grams per meal, 2 to 3 times a week. Natto is the most concentrated natural source of K2 MK7. Just 1 tablespoon is enough for the whole day. Natto supports calcium metabolism, keeps arteries flexible, and reduces muscle tension at night. Note: strong flavor and slimy texture. not suitable for people with sensitive digestive systems. Goose liver, foie gras, pasture-raised egg yolks, aged cheeses, brie, Gouda. K2, content per 3.5 Oz, 100 g. Goose liver, 369 mcg, mostly Mk4. Aged Gouda brie, 75 100 mcg. Egg yolk, 1 large, 30 mcg. Realistic serving size. Egg, 1 per day. Cheese, 1 Oz, 28 Jenny slice. Why they help? These foods offer moderate amounts of K2, particularly in Mk4 form. They're more familiar, but you'd need to eat them regularly to reach therapeutic levels. Limitation: high fat and cholesterol content. Not ideal for people with cardiovascular risks or sensitive digestion. For many older adults, a daily supplement is the most reliable source of K2, especially if appetite, digestion, or dietary restrictions make food-based K2 harder to maintain. Best format: D3 plus K2 combo. Look for vitamin K2 as Mk7, the most bioavailable and long-lasting form. Paired with vitamin D3 for synergy, they work better together to move calcium into bones and out of soft tissue. Suggested dose for adults over 60. 100 to 200 mcg of Mk7 per day. When to take: with breakfast or lunch, preferably with a healthy fat source like olive oil or avocado to boost absorption. If you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, do not start a K2 supplement without medical supervision. K2 can interfere with how these medications work. Always check with your doctor first. You don't need exotic foods or drastic diets. Whether you add a slice of aged cheese or take a daily D3 plus K2 capsule, what matters is consistency. Most seniors see benefits: fewer cramps, better circulation, improved sleep within 2 to 4 weeks of regular K2 intake. Have you been waking up every night with painful leg cramps, even though you were doing everything right? Then maybe your muscles aren't broken, they're just missing the right instruction. And that instruction is vitamin K2. K2 doesn't just help your muscles. It tells your body where to send the calcium so your legs can relax, your nerves can breathe, and your nights become peaceful again. This isn't a radical change. It's one small addition that your body has been quietly asking for. So if you're ready for real relief, not another pill, but a clear direction for your body to follow, click subscribe to Senior Diamond. Every week, we share one simple, science-backed step to help you stay strong, steady, and independent one night. One step, one choice at a time.